Hi guys, in this video, we are going to show you how we can create items or products in zero accounting system. Just assume if we are in a business that we that are selling goods or whatever the item, then we have to have items within that zero. For example, now in this zero trial version, I have created some sort of service business, but just as you in addition to providing service, I am selling some sort of books, maybe accounting standard books, auditing standard books, and calculators, and other related equipments that are relevant to the accounting. So in that type of a situation, I have to have stocks with me. Okay. So therefore, when we are purchasing those items from suppliers, we have to identify those items. We can create those items at the point of purchase as well, but it is easy to create those items in advance. Now I am going to show you how we can create those item in zero accounting package. For that, you have to click on this business. Okay. And you have to click on this products and services. Okay. Products and services. So after that, we will be directed to this page. You can see here I have added one item. If you need to add any item, you can click here, new item. Okay. I hope you can catch it. No? Okay. So if you need to add, just assume you are going to sell some sort of calculators in your business. So you are going to add that item to your business. So for that, you have to give a code. Okay. You have to give a code. We'll take it as 002. Name, we will take calculator XY model. Likewise, something you can write down. Okay. So just assume in case of creating an item in the system, we have to assign a code. Okay. That code should be unique to that item as well. Now, in this case, just assume I am going to purchase this calculator model from one of the supplier and sell in my business. So in that, therefore, I have to specifically identify this calculator type. Therefore, I am assigning a code. Whatever the item you are going to create in this zero accounting package, you have to assign a unique code for each item. That is a very important thing. That is one of the important principle you need to understand. Okay. Therefore, whenever you are creating an item in the system, you have to assign a unique code, and that code cannot be duplicated with another item. Okay. Therefore, I strongly recommend you to have some sort of arrangement in preparing codes so that no codes will be duplicated. Okay. So in this case, I am adding code as 002 and the name of the item, calculate XY model. When you are naming this item, you should name it in a way that you can easily understand the item from other item. Okay. So then I am taking this track the inventory item. So you can read this description. Track the quantity and value of stock on hand. This option is suitable for organization with less than 4,000 products or services who purchase items before they are sold and who calculate the average cost of items. Okay. Actually, this tracking option is very important in order to track the value and the availability of the stock on hand. Therefore, it is recommended you to check this option. But some organization in some organizations I have seen, rather than using the zero accounting software's inventory module, they are having a separate third party module, and that separate third party module has been synced with the zero. But in this case, I am not going to link any of the separate third party inventory module with zero. Instead of that, I am using the inventory module available within zero. Therefore, I am checking this track inventory item. Then you have to select this inventory asset account. By default, they have picked the inventory account. Okay. So to which in asset account, to which asset account we are accumulating the inventory. That is what represented by here. By default, they have taken this inventory account. Okay. Then purchase, add items to bill, purchase orders, and other purchase transaction. So you have to add the cost price, and you have to give the cost of the goods sold account. So I am selecting this cost of goods sold account. That means at what time, sorry, to which account the cost of the inventory or the item will be transferred at the point of sale of this item. Okay, so description is there, and in case of sell, you have to select the sale account. I am taking this sales account. Okay, so actually basically in this case you have to select the relevant cost of goods sold account, and you have to select the relevant sales account. That is the thing expected from you here. Okay, so since you are aware of the accounting, you can understand this cost of goods sold and the sales accounts. Okay, I am not going to explain them here. That's why you need to have understanding about the accounting. Okay, if you are just a person who doesn't have any of the understanding of the accounting, you can't understand those things. You should have the understanding in accounting, then you know why we are selecting cost of goods sold, why we are selecting sales account. Okay, so if we are done with this, we can just click on this save button. I didn't add the cost price or the sale price. It will be added at the point of purchase, so at the point of sale. Okay, so in this way you can create any number of items to this products module. Okay, we'll create another item. I am taking the code as 003, and we'll take the item as auditing standard book. Okay, you have to check this track inventory item, and the inventory asset account by default it has picked the inventory account. Then you have to select the cost of goods sold account. It should be this cost of goods sold, and you have to select the sales account. It should be sales. Okay, the importance of selecting the relevant account is very important, because when you purchase this item, it will automatically be posted in this inventory account. When you sell this item, the cost of goods sold will be posted in this cost of goods sold account, whereas the selling price will be posted in this sales account. Okay, having completed these things, you can just save on this, then the item will be created. You can see now these items are available. So this is how we are creating products or items in our XERO accounting system. In our next video, I am going to illustrate you how we can enter a purchase in the system. Okay, so I hope you are clear about how to create an item in the system. So in the next video, we will see how we can record the transaction when we are purchasing this item from our suppliers. Okay, so with this, I am winding up this video, and in the next video, we will go through the purchasing process. Okay, okay, thank you.